4 a.m.'s rough. Have you ever found something on the internet that you really, really thought was cool and then spent the next year trying to get it to work? Yeah, that's been me and the Canon EOS Webcam beta utility, and I'm not proud of it. Hopefully, I'm not the only one who has been having this problem for the last year. I wanted to bring this problem to you and give you a solution in case, I am not the only one. I hope I'm not the only one. Just about a year ago, Canon came out with the webcam utility beta just in time for the pandemic. What it did was instead of needing to have some type of a capture card to be able to connect your Canon camera as a webcam to your computer, you could just use the included micro USB cord, plug it right up to the camera, and you're good to go. Obviously, I said, yeah, let's do this. I had to go onto Amazon and buy a new micro USB cable because I threw mine away as soon as I got my Canon Rebel T6i. And I plugged it in only to see this. Frustrating, I know, because everywhere on the internet says, oh, it's great. You just plug it in and you're good to go. Plug it in, it's great. Plug it in, turn it on. Woo! It updates drivers. Woo! No. This is the only thing I had for literal however long it's been out. I think I downloaded it 2 days after it came out, and this is what we've had. Today I found the solution for it, and it's so simple. It's sad how simple it is. If you're having this issue, you go online and you'll see posts of people telling you to completely factory reset your camera. You'll hear people telling you to go out and buy a video capture card, um, and all kinds of different things. Um, the one caveat with buying a capture card, totally doable. When you buy a capture card, you get these nice white frame lines right here. Well, I guess this one's more so over here around your screen, and you cannot get rid of them without updating the firmware in your camera to some third party thing. I'm all about third party apps. I all about jailbreaking phones and things like that, but this is my daily driver for videos on my main channel, videos on this channel, pictures for the family. I personally do not feel comfortable loading a third party firmware onto my camera, onto my only camera. So, what do you do to stop having this pop up? It's so simple. So, you go into your menu and then you go over to the settings function down to your Wi-Fi NFC. And all you're going to do is you just disable that. Disable it. And the other thing you want to do while you're in here, if you're going to be using your camera as a webcam, is you're going to also want to go to the auto power off setting. That's on my second wrench on the T6i first thing. You're going to want to disable that too. Um, that's because this thing's actually not recording at this time. It's just a pass through. So it will shut off with the auto power off on. So you want that to be disabled. For battery life, you can either do what I do and get a dummy battery. Boom. Dummy battery right here. Hooked up to a wire, hooked up to a power pack, goes straight into here. And Canon actually is made for this. There's a little tab guy. There's a little tab guy for the wire to just kind of come out of. Or if you're not going to be streaming for that long or recording for that long, you can always just get an extended battery pack to put a couple batteries into. That works too. So, once you've done that, you can plug the camera back in, listen for the and then check it out. Hey, how's it going, bros? I'm so mad at myself that it was this easy. This easy. You don't even have to reset Streamlabs. I'm out of focus. You don't even have to reset Streamlabs. You just turn the camera on. Just turn it on. And look, now I'm going to mount it. And there we go. Now I have optional being able to zoom out, zoom in. And I personally feel that the color space is much better. Now, I will tell you, my caveat is that the T6i only goes up to 1080p 30. It goes down to 760, 720, 60. And that's what this captures right now is 720, 60. When you're using this for zoom, or when you have this down here acting for gameplay or things like that, 720p is 100% okay, in my opinion. Pros: super simple to hook up, super easy to operate, literal plug and play as long as you have your Wi-Fi functionality disabled. Color space is much better. I feel the picture quality is much better when compared to a webcam such as this. It's much warmer in my opinion. It's much nicer, but you know, that's just me. If you do have a multicam setup like I'm got now, um, speaking of Cam Nova, I'll be having a video coming out very soon about this guy, and that'll add a third camera to me. You're going to need a bit more powerful computer with multiple USB headers, not just ports, multiple USB headers going into it, because I actually tried connecting all three of them up at one point in time, and I thought I was on my three separate headers, but I was not. And the camera and the Cam Nova, they didn't want to work at all. So, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. I honestly just hope that I'm not the only one who was spending all this time trying to figure out how to get webcam utility to work. My Google foo just was not what it was. But uh, if this video helped you out, please drop a like on it. Subscribe for more videos like this. I'm not very regular on here, but when I am, I try to make it a video that it matters. So, and comment down below if I'm just an idiot. Let me know, because I really feel like an idiot right now. With that being said, my name's Fox Die, and I'll see you next time.